Unlock your creative potential with Canva Designer. Begin your journey in digital design with ease. Step into a world where design is not just for professionals, it's for everyone. Discover the joy and simplicity of creating stunning visuals with Canva, no matter your skill level. Facing design challenges? You're not alone. If the thought of digital design seems daunting, you're in good company. Many beginners feel overwhelmed by complex software and technical jargon. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We understand your design journey. Every expert was once a beginner, and we remember what it's like to start from scratch. Our Canva tutorials for beginners are crafted with empathy, ensuring a smooth and stress-free learning experience. Meet Canva, your gateway to digital design. Canva Designer is a game changer for beginners in design. Its intuitive tools and easy-to-navigate interface make creating professional quality designs not just possible, but also enjoyable. Learn design with ease with our comprehensive step-by-step Canva tutorials for beginners. From the fundamentals to more advanced techniques, our tutorials cover everything you need to know. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you gain confidence and skills. Why choose Canva Designer? Here's the benefits for beginners. With Canva, design becomes accessible. Enjoy a wide range of templates, easy drag and drop functionality, and the freedom to unleash your creativity. Success with Canva Designer. Hear from our happy learners. Meet people just like you who have transformed their design skills with Canva. Their success stories are a testament to the effectiveness of our Canva tutorials for beginners. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who turned to Canva to create her marketing materials. With no background in design, Sarah was initially intimidated by the idea of creating her own graphics, but through our Canva tutorial videos for beginners, she quickly got the hang of it. Now, she designs all of her promotional content herself, saving costs and truly reflecting her brand's unique voice. Begin your Canva design adventure today with our step-by-step Canva tutorials for beginners. Why wait to unleash your creativity? Join our community of successful Canva users now and see the difference in your design work. Your journey starts here. Exclusive offer for aspiring designers. Take advantage of our special offer and start your Canva journey into the world of design. Quality learning doesn't have to break the bank. Embark on your design adventure today. Our commitment to you, 100% satisfaction guarantee. We believe in the value of our Canva tutorials for beginners, which is why we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Your journey into design is supported every step of the way. Your path to Canva design mastery awaits. Imagine the designs you'll create and the skills you'll master with the ultimate Canva tutorials for beginners. The path to design excellence is before you. Take the first step now. Join the world of Canva designers today. Start your Canva journey. Dive into digital design with our easy step-by-step Canva tutorial videos for beginners. Click the buy button below this video and revolutionize your creativity with Canva.